Hello all, this is Abhineet from EMEA Backbone COCM team. Today we'll talk about the phone secure registration and also what all things we need to see in case of there is a secure registration. We'll see what we can see in the secure registration through Wireshark, what all messages are being exchanged and what is the specific thing we need to check. So before we start, let's first go to the CallManager. Go to the enterprise parameter. Under enterprise parameter, search for the word cluster. This is the under security parameter, you will find cluster security mode as 1, which means our cluster is secure. I'll also give you a command that will help you convert your cluster from non-secure to secure mode or mixed mode. This is the command. So when you run this command, so it will ask you for pressing yes if you want to proceed with the secure cluster, and then you might need to restart TFTP and the CallManager service. So let's go to the phone, which will be part of our activity for secure registration. This is a phone. So right now you can see this is registered. We'll open the phone, and first thing we need to do is configure a phone security profile. So in order to register the phone in secure mode, it should have a phone security profile for that particular phone model. So we already have a non-secure profile for 8865, so I have created one secure profile for 8865. So you can see under secure profile, you need to ensure your device security mode is either encrypted or authenticated. I have selected encrypted. So we'll go to phone. We'll go to the phone page. Here, if you scroll down, you'll see here that there is a CAPF information page. So in order to install the LSC, which is required for the phone to register in secure mode, we'll select the operation install upgrade. So you need to verify these parameters like a key order, RSA key size, and also check the date where it is in this format. So the operation complete by date should be in future. So once you are done, click save. So this will initiate the LSC installation on the phone. So and it will reset the phone to get the LSC from the CallManager. So we are done with the reset and restart. So the most important thing for LSC installation is that your CAPF service should be running on that particular node. So the CAPF is the service that is responsible for the LSC installation on that particular phone. So we'll go to the serviceability page. In the meantime, it is installing the LSC. We'll check few things which is required for the LSC installation. So if you go to tools, let's see where that service is. Let's check the network services. Select the node. I think it should be in the feature service, but let's check if it is in network service. Okay, we'll scroll down and see if we can find the service. Okay, it's not here. So we'll move to the feature service. We'll select that server again. Remember, the LSC installation operation is running in the background on that particular phone. So we'll see the service now. It should be somewhere down. So yeah, here we can see is Cisco Certificate Authority Proxy function. So this service should be activated before we perform this activity. Now we'll go to CM administration page. We'll go to the phone. The phone is registered, we can see here. So let's see if the LSC installation has succeeded or not. Remember, the phone is right now in non-secure mode, so we have not applied the security profile. So there is no pending operation, you can see here, and the upgrade is successful. That means the LSC is installed on the phone. So you can also verify this from the phone physically. You can see under the LSC, you will see as LSC as installed. Okay. Let me see if everything is correct or not. In certain models, you can also see the LSC installed thing on the phone page also, but we don't find it here. No problem. Okay, it's not here. Okay, we'll go back. So we need to go to phone security profile. We'll apply that security profile that we have created, and we'll press save and apply it. Now the phone will try to register in using that secure profile. So we have already configured a Wireshark that will capture the registration part, and we'll see what all messages are being exchanged to establish a TLS handshake and also the secure registration. So let's reset the phone and let it come up. Okay, now we can see the phone is registered and we have secure profile here. You can see 8865 secure profile. So in order to enable span Wireshark capturing, we need to enable the span to PC port, which is already enabled, and we have collected the capture. So you can see here, the first thing what happens is, this is the phone IP 123.110 and the CUCM IP is 111.182. The first thing the phone sends is client hello, and there are multiple things which you will find under the secure socket layer header. So if you will scroll down, you will see the cipher suits and all. And now if you click on the server hello packet, it also has the certificate server key exchange. So under the secure layer, SSL layer, you will find the certificate tab. If you will maximize the certificate tab, you will see the certificate which has been sent by the CallManager. So every information like serial number, signature, common name, and everything, you can find it under the certificate tab of this SSL layer header. So in return, we can see there is a fatal error warning that some certificates might not be accepted by the phone, so that is why the phone is sending a fatal error. So this is one of the thing which phone will reject the certificate. So if you see again, there is again a client hello, there is a certificate tab where we can see the certificate which has been sent by the CUCM. In return, the phone is now sending the correct certificate. If you'll scroll down, you will see the 8865 phone certificate, which is in our case is the LSC, which is sent to the CUCM, and CUCM will check that certificate so that it will authenticate it. Now we can see there is a change cipher specs, that in most of the scenario, if there is a change in cipher, it will be a change which you will see in the certificate tab. The application data is like your SSL transaction has been successful and the TLS handshake has